Imagine towering mountains piercing the sky, their peaks cloaked in glaciers that gleam like diamonds. Picture rivers of ice flowing silently through valleys. This is the Kluane Wrangell St. Elias Glacier Bay, Tatshenshini-Alsek region, straddling the border of Alaska and Canada. A land of extremes where nature reigns supreme. One can feel insignificant yet connected to the pulse of the planet. This is a journey into a wilderness untamed, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a testament to nature's raw beauty and power, where time stands still with the whisper of the wind, crashing glaciers, and wild animal calls. Kluane National Park and Reserve in Canada's Yukon Territory is a land dominated by ice and sky. Towering above it all is Mount Logan, Canada's highest peak, a majestic giant eternally capped in snow and ice. The park is home to the largest non-polar ice fields in the world, a vast expanse of glaciers that stretch as far as the eye can see. These glaciers, remnants of a bygone ice age, are constantly on the move, carving valleys and shaping the landscape. The valleys below are a tapestry of forests, meadows, and turquoise glacial lakes. The air is crisp and clean, carrying the scent of pine and the sound of rushing water. Dall sheep, with their magnificent curled horns, scale the steep slopes, while grizzly bears roam the valleys in search of food. In the skies above, golden eagles soar effortlessly, their keen eyes scanning the terrain for prey. Kluane is a place of stark beauty, a reminder of the power and resilience of nature. Across the border in Alaska lies Wrangell St. Elias National Park and Preserve, a land of superlatives. It's the largest national park in the United States, encompassing a vast expanse of mountains, glaciers, and forests. Here, the Wrangell Mountains, a volcanic range, rise dramatically from the earth, their peaks often shrouded in clouds. Mount Wrangell, an active volcano, occasionally puffs steam and ash into the air, a reminder of the powerful forces at work beneath the surface. The park is a haven for wildlife. Caribou herds migrate across the tundra, their hooves drumming a steady rhythm against the earth. Wolves, with their piercing gazes, stalk their prey, while moose browse on willow shoots in the valleys. The park is also home to black bears, Dall sheep, and mountain goats, creatures perfectly adapted to this harsh yet beautiful environment. Glacier Bay National Park and Preserve, located on the southeastern coast of Alaska, is a place where glaciers meet the sea. Here, massive walls of ice, some hundreds of feet high, calve into the water with thunderous roars, creating icebergs that drift silently through the bay. The park is a testament to the power of nature's transformative forces, as glaciers have carved, sculpted, and retreated over millennia, leaving behind a landscape of breathtaking beauty. The bay is teeming with marine life. Humpback whales breach the surface, their massive bodies gleaming in the sunlight. Sea otters, wrapped in their thick fur, float on their backs, cracking open shellfish on their chests. Harbor seals bask on ice floes, while bald eagles perch atop towering trees, their white heads standing out against the dark green foliage. Glacier Bay is a symphony of ice and ocean, a place where the elements collide and life finds a way to thrive. Section 5. Tatshenshini-Alsek Provincial Park, a wild river's journey. Flowing through the heart of this wilderness is the Tatshenshini-Alsek River System, a wild and scenic waterway that forms a natural link between Kluane, Wrangell St. Elias, and Glacier Bay. The Tatshenshini-Alsek Provincial Park in British Columbia protects a significant portion of this river system, a UNESCO World Heritage Site in its own right. This pristine river carves its way through towering mountains, cascading over rapids and meandering through tranquil valleys. The journey along the Tatshenshini-Alsek is not for the faint of heart, but for those who dare to brave its rapids. It offers an experience of a lifetime. The river is a vital artery for the region's wildlife, providing a source of water and transportation for bears, moose, wolves, and a myriad of bird species. Section 6. Flora and Fauna. Life on the edge of extremes. The Kluane, Wrangell St. Elias, Glacier Bay, Tatshenshini-Alsek region is home to a surprising diversity of plant and animal life. Despite the harsh conditions, life has found a way to thrive in this seemingly inhospitable environment. From the towering Sitka spruce forests of the coast to the delicate alpine wildflowers that carpet the meadows above the tree line, the region is a testament to the adaptability of nature. The animals that inhabit this region are equally as impressive. Grizzly and black bears roam the valleys and mountainsides, while Dall sheep and mountain goats navigate the treacherous slopes with ease. Wolves, wolverines, and lynxes stalk their prey through the forests, while eagles, hawks, and owls rule the skies. In the waters, salmon make their epic journey upstream to spawn, providing a vital food source for bears and other wildlife. Section 7. UNESCO World Heritage Site, a global treasure. In 1979, the Kluane-la-Wrangell-St. Elias Glacier Bay, Tatshenshini-Alsek region was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognizing its outstanding universal value. This prestigious designation highlights the region's significance not only for Canada and the United States, but for all of humanity. The site's vast glaciers, ice fields, and mountain ranges provide valuable insights into geological processes, while its diverse ecosystems support a remarkable array of plant and animal life. The UNESCO designation underscores the importance of protecting this pristine wilderness for future generations. It recognizes the region's cultural significance to indigenous peoples who have lived in harmony with this land for millennia. It also highlights the need for international cooperation in managing and preserving this shared natural heritage. Section 8. A tapestry of history, from ancient hunters to modern explorers. The Kluane-Wrangell-St. Elias Glacier Bay. Tatshenshini-Alsek region has a rich and layered history dating back thousands of years. Indigenous peoples, including the Tlingit, Haida, and Athabascan, have called this land home for generations, their lives intrinsically linked to its rhythms and resources. These cultures have developed a deep understanding and respect for the natural world, their traditions and stories passed down through generations. The arrival of European explorers in the 18th and 19th centuries marked a turning point in the region's history. Drawn by the lure of gold and furs, these early adventurers documented the region's natural wonders, their accounts capturing the imaginations of people around the world. Today, the legacy of both indigenous peoples and early explorers is woven into the fabric of the region, a testament to the enduring connection between humans and this awe-inspiring landscape. Section 9. Conservation, Guardians of a Pristine Legacy, preserving the Kluane-Wrangell-St. Elias on Glacier Bay, Tatshenshini-Alsek region, is a shared responsibility, a commitment to safeguarding a natural legacy for future generations. Climate change poses a significant threat to this pristine environment as rising temperatures accelerate glacial melt and alter delicate ecosystems. Protecting this wilderness requires a multifaceted approach, encompassing scientific research, sustainable tourism practices, and international collaboration. National Park Services, conservation organizations, and indigenous communities are working together to monitor the impacts of climate change, protect wildlife corridors, and promote responsible recreation. By raising awareness about the region's ecological importance and the challenges it faces, we can inspire action and ensure that this natural treasure continues to inspire wonder and awe for generations to come. Section 10. Conclusion. A call to experience and protect. The Kluane-Wrangell-St. Elias Glacier Bay, Tatshenshini-Alsek region is a testament to the raw power and beauty of the natural world. It's a place where you can stand in awe of towering mountains, witness the thunderous calving of glaciers, and feel a sense of connection to something far greater than yourself. This vast wilderness, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a reminder of the importance of preserving our planet's wild places, not just for their ecological value, but for the sense of wonder and inspiration they provide. This is a call to experience the magic of this region for yourself, to feel the crunch of snow beneath your boots, to hear the wind whisper through the trees, and to witness the untamed beauty that has captivated explorers and adventurers for centuries. but it's also a call to action. We must all be stewards of this planet, protecting its wild places so that future generations can experience the same awe and wonder that we feel today. The legacy of this region, and indeed the fate of our planet, rests in our hands.